example number 2, and I already went ahead and drew the circuit so you wouldn't witness my struggles. So we have 2 resistors. One we know is 7 ohms, and the other one we do not know. We also know that the battery is 4.5 volts in voltage. And then finally, we know that through the 7 ohm resistor, we have a 0.6 amps. That's the current. So I drew the circuit, marked the known values, and showed the direction of the current, which will be from the positive to the negative. And remember how we talked about the rules that current is the same throughout a circuit in series. So that tells me that this guy will also have 0.6 amps. So then, let's see. If I were to know the voltage over here, remember how in the lab you found resistance of the, these are supposed to, you still witness my struggles. There we go. So if we were to connect a voltmeter across this resistor and measure the voltage on it, we could easily just divide to find the resistance. We would just do, well, V over I, and that would be it. But I don't know what V is. Is there a way to find it? Let's see. So I know that 4.5 volts is the V total. And it will be the V on 7 plus the V on the unknown resistance. Well, I know that V on 7 I can find as 7 times 0.6, because I know that this is the resistance and this is the current. So if I multiply resistance times current, I get the voltage in 7 ohms. Alrighty then, 4.5 volts equals 7 times 0.6 is 4.2 volts plus voltage on the unknown resistor. Well then, 4.5 minus 4.2 gets me a 0.3 volts. So this voltage that I didn't know in the beginning, I do know now. It's 3.3 volts. All right then, find the voltage on the 7 resistor. All right, so boom, 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 boom. It's right here. I'm just going to put it. Boom. And the current in the unknown resistor already went over it. So 0.6 amps and 0.3 volts. And then, voltage in the unknown resistor is 0.3, and this guy is 4.2 because it's 7 times 0.6 and it's volts. All right, find the unknown resistance then. Well, now I know that resistance is voltage over current, voltage being 0.3, current being 0.6. So it's like 3 over 6, 1/2 ohms, so only half an ohm. Your other way to solve it, not just following the steps that are outlined in the problem, you could have gone this way, and I'm going to change the color so you can follow it. If I know my V total and I know my I total, I can find the R equivalent. So I could have found it this way. I could have done, well, V total is 4.5, I total is 0.6. So it's like 45 over 6, which is 7.5, because it's 42 and 30. So 7.5. Then, if I do 7.5 is the R equivalent, and I know that it's going to be R of 7, which technically is 7, plus R of the unknown resistor, so it's going to be 7 plus question mark. Well, 7.5 minus 7 is 0.5. There you go. So that's your alternative way of solving it. Not step by step, but go straight to equivalent resistance, find it, and then subtract the known. So this is an example where you do know the current, you do know the voltage on the battery, and you just don't know one of the resistances. So that's example 2, and this is how you solve it.